Well, good morning. Welcome back to the job site. Today, we are removing that big sign up there. Yeah, this shouldn't be too crazy. Shouldn't be too fancy. We got a beautiful day. So let's get busy. All right, let's go unhang a sign. Probably just start from the top, work my way down. So I think for most of this, it's just going to be time lapses. There's not really a whole heck of a lot to explain. It's just the reverse of installing a sign, really. Phillips. So I do have to save these signs. I'm going to put them on a pallet inside the store, and they're going to ship them somewhere. There is a channel letter. Oh, it's glory. Yeah, I think I'm just going to have to cut these here. I mean, it worked. It's pass through. Should have a plastic bushing on it, though. Okay. Get this bad boy off the wall. Okay, well, there's one letter. Just got to do that a whole bunch more. So here... Silly tester. So now I'm going to turn you over to a time lapse. It's me doing that, I don't know, 13 times? This part is going to suck. So now I got to do this arrow, and as I'm sure you can tell, this thing is huge. It's probably 14, 16 feet wide, and it's just going to be a big noodle. So I got to be very, very careful and hope I don't break this thing. So here goes nothing. Well, that's the gist of the removal of a large channel letter sign, such as this one. So I'll spare you sealing up all those holes. It's just me squirting silicone in the hole. So that's really all I got to say about this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.